Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents this 7-day cucumber diet will help you lose pounds very fast. In today's video, I will present you an interesting diet that you can try in case you don't want to count calories while you are eating. This diet is based on cucumbers. As its name says, it's the cucumber diet. It will give you amazing results in only 10 days. You just need certain products and you must be physically active all the time. The meals can be eaten in unlimited amounts. The most important thing is that you can consume them whenever you feel hungry. Your whole body will feel the benefits. It will purify your organism, stimulate your metabolism, clean your intestines, and improve your digestion. Cucumber is an amazing vegetable since it's full of water. If you consume it every day, you will obtain numerous benefits. It can help you detoxify your body completely, cleanse your skin so you will remove acne. That's the main reason why numerous masks contain cucumber as their main ingredient. Meal plan. This is what the meal plan looks like. Breakfast. Your breakfast should include 200 grams of sliced cucumbers into a low-fat yogurt. Stir well. In case you still feel hunger, eat an apple or a peach. Lunch. Your lunch should be consisted of a slice of dried bread and a large plate of cucumber salad. Here's an example recipe with a great taste. 300 grams of fresh fruits, 2 potatoes, 1 cucumber. Drinks. Coffee or tea without sugar. Bake or boil the potatoes whichever way you prefer. Consume them with 1 sliced cucumber and a slice of whole wheat bread. For a snack, prepare a fruit salad. Drink some tea or coffee but without any sugar. Here is another good recipe. 1 cucumber, 2 potatoes, 3 slices of whole wheat bread, 15 gram white meat or 2 eggs, 150 gram of tuna. Make sure you choose bread or potatoes, only one of them, and combine them with cucumber and tuna. The white meat can be grilled without oil and the eggs can be boiled. Cucumber shake. This cucumber shake can be consumed between meals. You can drink any amount you like. 1 apple, a handful of spinach, 1 cucumber, half-inch ginger, 20 grams of walnuts and almonds. Blend the spinach, cucumber and apple into a blender. They shouldn't be peeled. After that, add the ginger. Blend everything again. Your shake is prepared after you have acquired the desired consistency. Put some almonds and walnuts as a decoration and drink it straight away. It shouldn't be left to rest as it will lose its nutritional benefits. This drink contains plenty of minerals and vitamins like fiber, vitamin A, magnesium, vitamin K, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, vitamin B, etc. Dinner. The dinner should include only 300 grams of any fruit of your own choice. Slice it and eat it. For best results, in case you want to obtain results faster, in 7 days, try to be on a diet that will be more rigorous. Make sure your breakfast includes only yogurt with fruit and 200 gram cucumbers. Your lunch should only include 1 piece of dried bread and a large plate of cucumber salad, and the dinner should only be consisted of a fruit salad. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.